Hello, I'm Petter. I'm the chief engineer of the mechanics here at the Swedish Development Center. And let's start to have a look at the present Epic 2 machine. The designer Epic 2. So you might recognize the current embroidery unit. And as you might know, there is a coming Epic 3 machine. And with this, we also launch the new embroidery unit. And well, you can compare the sizes. The overall length is less. The Y-arm, sure, it's huge to support huge hoops. Let's have a look at how we attach the units. This is the old way of the Epic 2. You need to remove the accessory tray to attach the embroidery unit. But if we move forward to the Epic 3, we have a new interface for the embroidery unit that is simply flipped out from the base plate, and then you attach the embroidery unit, and you can even have the accessory tray on the machine. Let's go back to Epic 2. We have the hoop attachment. You need to slide it on from the front like this, and to release it you need two hands. Epic 3 and the new embroidery unit. You have a completely new, first in the market, snap in, snap off attachment of the hoops. Works like that. Furthermore, the new embroidery unit is more robust, with full metal chassis both in the body and in the Y-arm. And that should support for higher performance, and there are also new motors and transmission that should support for a more nice sound quality.